What is the power? One man was searching for an answering to the question, what is the power? He found out that there was a sheikh in his region. He came to this sheikh and saw that there was a nice house instead of poor sheikh, and children were playing in the yard. A man was surprised. He thought that the people who comprehended the truth should live differently. He asked the owner to help him to find the answer. A sheikh said, "You can find the strength in yourself. Seek for your way or follow the road of the ancestors. I will tell you a story. One man looking for perfection was training hard day after day, and he knew the power of day. Not bowing to the difficulties, he went ahead, defeated himself, and he knew the power of spirit. Comprehending the thought of great people, he found his opinion, and he knew the power of knowledge. He fell in love, bowed down to the earth goddesses of his heart, and they knew the power of feeling. He had a house and a family. He took his child in the arms and knew the power of life. Encountering the unknown with pacification, he didn't regard about the past and knew the power of death.